What's up? I'm Dylan McCauley. This is my Mutiny Obscura bike check. Right now the frame I'm running is a Mutiny Grant Castelluzzo Obscura frame. It's a 20.8. I just put on some new Mutiny wands. They're 28mm offset. They're better for those nose manuals. The stem I ride is a Madeira masked top load. The bars I'm running are Mutiny Jeff Westcott cone bars with 9.2 rise. The grips I ride are Merit Charlie grips. Oh God. The cranks I'm rocking are Profile 165 columns with a Mutiny Obscura bash guard sprocket. The pedals I grind on are the Eclat AK pedals. In the front, I have a Madeira Pivot V2 laced to a Merit Battle Rim with Madeira C4 plastic guards. In the rear, I have a Profile Z Coaster laced to a Merit Battle Rim with a prototype Madeira plastic guard on the left side. And on the other side, I have a steel drive side guard. Those are rolling on Jake Seeley 2.4 street sweepers. The pegs I'm running are 4 stolen plastic silencers. My seat is a Mutiny mid seat with a Mutiny tripod post. I really love this frame because of the color. The trans olive is something you don't see a lot, and the gussets on it just look so good. It's just a beautiful frame. One other really cool thing about the Mutiny Obscura is it's got the 6mm dropouts, a little bit thicker, and it's also got chain tensioners built into it. Thanks for watching my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. Have to thank Mutiny, Madeira, the Bond Dudes for everything. You guys have a great day.